LED flicker or backlight flicker are site conditions that you might come across. Our MMBP, multi-mate bypass or load correction device, is able to fix most of these on-site conditions. In most instances, it's going to be either power fluctuations or the lights themselves that are creating this issue for you on site. The installation of the multi-mate bypass is very simple. The light fitting on my right has the MMBP installed into the switch wire neutral. On the left is the fitting that doesn't have it installed, where I do not have any control over the fitting at all. I also have backlight flicker. In the fitting on my right, I now have full control over that luminaire just by using something as simple as a multi-mate bypass. In most instances, only one multi-mate bypass MMBP need be used for any switch circuit